Hi guys, it's Amanda with Off-Leash Canine Training, Oklahoma. This is Oakley. Oakley is a 2-year-old pit mix. Oakley's family adopted him a couple of weeks ago and they're having some issues that they need addressed. His family lives on 4 acres and they don't have a fence, so they really need a good, reliable recall. He pulls relentlessly on the leash and they have a super hard time walking him. They would like to take him places, but they aren't able to just because he pulls so hard that he chokes himself. He's lived in the shelter for the last 2 years, so adjusting to home life has been a bit difficult for him. There are some things he just doesn't understand and that he's still learning. He's a super sweet boy and I can't wait to spend these next 2 weeks with him. The following clips you're about to see is Oakley's transformation with me after 2 weeks in our 2-week board and train program.